Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I am back with another video, and this is going to be part 2. I'm actually going to be testing out the hair color wax. I did it a couple of weeks ago and it was a complete fail. Like, it looked really bad, and everybody in my comment section who was saying that it looked good and all of that stuff, I don't know what type of friends y'all are, but y'all the type of friends who are just like have me going outside looking crazy, and that is just not going to happen. Okay, so I'm gonna try it out again with some of you guys' suggestions. I know one of my main problems was that my hair wasn't wet when I was putting the wax in my hair, so I have like freshly clean hair, and I have like my leave-in in, but I'm gonna re-wet my hair because of the fact that my hair dries really quickly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and re-wet my hair. I get a lot of questions about this water bottle as well, and I will link it down below in the description box. I bought it off Amazon. So last time I kind of bought like an off-brand hair wax instead of like the original hair wax that all of the girls on Instagram and on YouTube have been using. So I decided to go ahead and get the original. It is Mo Fei Jang. I know I butchered that. So I got the same color as last time. I got it in gold, and I was gonna get like a different color, like maybe blue or purple or something like that, but I was just like, I don't know how messy that is going to be, and that sounds like something I don't want to clean up if it gets messy. So I just got this yellow. So this wax looks exactly like the off-brand version. So let's go ahead and see. Differently is I'm taking like smaller sections, and I'm not going to do my entire head of hair. Okay, so I have officially put this all over my hair, but I think I'm going to go over it again because of the fact that the color isn't really like showing up that well. So I'm going to go over it one more time just because. So yeah, this is how my hair turned out. The last time I tried it out, my hair was like super dry, crispy, just not a good look. But this time I have way more curl definition, so I am definitely impressed. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.